go, man.
Yeah, it is.
I think you gotta look again.
I will get us home safe.
That seems like a lot.
I mean, I just bought one. I just bought the Hanzo bow.
We're covered.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Yeah. Keeping
you
the shield
bought
up.
You
getting
bought the
pounded.
Hanzo bow before the hammer?
Well, yeah, before I started playing tank, I was like playing Ryan. Or Hanzo.
Well, the soldier's top left.
I have no shield.
Reloading.
They're all
Yeah,
right
I'm-
for the most part.
I can't. Yeah, I can't do anything with the.
Soldiers on the left. That's how you focus
They're
on
on
me.
to sleep. They're on to sleep.
I just.
Shit,
Oh, nice, nice, nice.
I'm down.
Lucio's frozen.
Hanzo's on the left. They have
Okay,
a heal down. Hanzo's on the left side.
see if I can get this Hanzo.
4 to the right, 3 to the right.
Hanzo's down.
The pain.
Mora's asleep. Purple.
Try to touch point
Get back.
for fighting. Almost there.
I'm 1 second behind you, so expect heals when you go in.
Soldier's low. Soldier's half.
Fuck,
Hanzo's
dude.
asleep.
I think we're able to. We held it down.
Get to Lucio. Get to Lucio.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Nice.
He's just purple.
Oh, he's behind.
Ryan. Ryan is very low.
The soldier was ulting behind.
Yeah. Rich, don't push them if they're sleeping, because I got fucked on like 2 crush things when you swap them.
You can drop me. Push a
Yeah.
wall there.
Are we all here?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm looking for Shatter.
Okay, we got a
Alright,
junk
wait,
up
wait,
at the top.
I can push him.
Monkey behind.
Monkey.
Junkrat fell down. About the ult. I'm gonna ult.
Got booped out.
Lucio.
Soldier's above up top. Behind. Behind, not above up top.
Just a scratch. You'll be fine.
I'll get him. We get soldier or no?
Yeah, he's right side of this tank.
Yeah. He's running back. Monkey's weak.
Monkey's on top of the tank.
I remember Ryan.
Do we have Diva Bomb right now?
No.
Yep.
3 seconds on Dan.
Monkey's behind.
If you have Diva Bomb, use it, dude.
He's up top behind.
Damn it, dude. I can't do
Get
nothing.
in there.
Keep backing up, Dan. Alright, I got you. You're good. You're good. Go ahead.
Big Shatter, on point.
Fucking monkey shield. That's gonna be big in here.
Take your
Above us. Monkey's diving us.
Lucio's weak.
They have McCree now.
Monkey?
He's asleep.
Oh, they have Farah too.
He just ulted.
Runs very far behind.
He's looking to Shatter. The back Shatter.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Shit.
Yeah.
Bear's above us.
Who's with me?
I have Shatter. Or not Shatter, what am I talking about?
Oh, I was
Yeah,
about to
Shadow.
say,
It's like, whoa, whoa, whoa.
what?
I'm confused. Get ready.
See if you can get behind them.
Let's go. Let's
Yeah,
go.
There's
Lucio-
Lucio behind Diva.
Lucio one.
I got him.
Nice job. Good
Sorry,
one.
not much notification there, but it had to be done.
Good hammer.
No Ryan. Hammer's going down.
You're going to be okay.
It's a freebie.
Took that rock to the face. Can't
That
Starting to
does?
see him.
He's straight ahead. You're good.
Yeah, it's down.
He's
We're
one.
down one. I have no shield.
Who's
I'm
that
working on Ryan.
Whoever's-
Ryan,
The healers far right there.
Okay. Good wall, good wall.
Alright. That should keep us
Ryan's
alive.
charging.
You can push him, we should be alive.
There's behind
Try.
us.
Whoa.
Fucking ult.
Bring it to
purple.
Lucio. Lucio.
I'm not a Moira.
Get the Ryan. Get the Ryan. Get the Ryan.
You guys got
Ryan's
2.
weak.
3.
I can't sleep it.
Get out of his line of sight.
It's down.
It's down.
Okay, I'm back with you guys.
He's weak. He's weak. He's weak. McCree's weak.
They have a May now.
Why do they get a May, dude? Why?
I think May versus May is probably one of the only cameras. Other than Sombra.
I have ult again, dude. Damn. Okay.
You should try to stagger them now. It's 20 seconds.
Okay. Got you.
Just
boss
watch
man.
Diva. Watch the Diva. Watch Diva.
She doesn't have it.
Not yet. Lucio. Ryan, run.
Purple. Keep it behind point.
May.
Nice.
Good call, dude.
Good job.
Thanks.
Yeah, good job, guys.
Especially if they don't have like mobility. I like to just push them off.
I'm gonna just see if I can get a pick.
Ooh, attack widow.
That was fine.
I'm gonna have to protect him from their diva, I think.
Well, hopefully he could deal with their Pharaoh, will be nice.
Never stop.
What time is it supposed to start? Snowing tomorrow.
I think later in the day.
Stay
Afternoon.
safe.
Like
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you're in trouble, I'll be
Are we going Vikings? Which way are we
Yeah.
going?
yeah. I never like to go main because it just takes so much damage just walking up there. Unless we Maywall. If we want a Maywall choke, and then we can go
Top
right.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. That's a good idea.
Okay.
So we're gonna go main. We're gonna wall it off and then go top right, where like that amusement park ride is.
Yep.
And then see what they got, and then probably drop down to the red point.
They have a Winston, I think.
They have a Bastion, dude.
Let's get close.
Top
Are they all
right.
top right?
Yeah.
I don't know if we should go top right then.
I think we can get through.
All right,
Yeah.
wall them.
You're down.
All the-
Yo.
Okay. We need Diva up here for Bastion.
Junkrat's
Junkrat's
one.
weak.
I'm not ready to hang it up.
He's healed.
Can you wall? Can you wall?
Did I wall off? No, I
Let's
didn't wall.
keep going back. Keep going back. We can go underneath them, right?
Yeah.
1 second to heal, Dan. There you go.
All right, they're looking at us.
Come back, Ryan.
This is where our Widow should put in some work.
Coming to
Say we
point.
wall them off in here, dude.
I knocked the Rhino. Push him.
I'm dead. I'm switching.
Junk's to our right. Bastion's
Help
up
me
here.
with Ryan.
Ryan's down.
Bastion's
Ryan
up
down.
top here with
Alright,
us.
work your way to point. Work your way to point. Just hide from the Bastion. Be on point.
Bastion's on point right side.
Okay.
A lot of purple on this side.
Higher.
I'm down.
Alright, I gotta die.
I have rally for this push.
Well, you might want to go with the Lucio if this doesn't work out to just speed boost around the Bastion. Let's regroup. Where's he set up? Top right again?
I think he's
Yeah.
top right. Yeah. Yeah. It's just him and Ryan though. We should go at him.
All right, let's go.
If
They're
you get over
walled.
here, I'll
Go,
rally.
go. Watch the trap. Watch the trap.
Oh, they got me.
bait. They're all there.
Junk's down. Junk's down.
Oh my god.
I got him frozen. I got Ryan's frozen. Ryan's down. Get the Moria. Moria's walled off, and she has no
I'm with you. I'm with you.
Nice.
Get in there.
Ryan's Zarya's frozen.
More heals are coming.
On a sled.
Oh,
Oh, bubble.
I'm coming to the left of point.
Get this Bastion.
Okay.
Zarya.
Zarya, Junk, and Ryan on point. Zarya's
No,
down,
it's Junk.
Junk and Ryan. Junk's probably gonna die from bomb.
Ryan's low.
Got him.
Ryan's one.
Have a fair coming out.
Nice.
Almost back to point.
Go far.
I got her, dude.
All on point.
Oh my god, that hurts.
I'm on ball. I'm on ball.
Fair behind.
Genji, can you play a hit scan? We
Can I play
need
what?
a hit scan.
Yeah.
We might need it for the fair.
Choose one.
Yeah.
Fair's on me.
Nice kills. Nice kills.
Fair's one. Fair's one.
Junk on point on the left.
Where's Pharaoh?
Fair's
Junk down.
She's
Junk's
down.
on
She's
point
down.
with
Fair's
ball.
down.
Ball's purple.
Ball's one.
Yep.
All right. Good job.
Alright, good job.
All right. I have
Try
rally
to
for
pick
when
the Pharaoh if
we
they
push.
still have one. They do. Okay.
You're covered.
You can push up
We-
down. I'll get the cart.
We have bomb too. We should push Ryan and then throw a bomb over the shield.
All right.
so he's
Wait.
gotta turn.
I'm on cart though. As soon as the cart gets to you, I will rally.
Well, once they're grouped, they all bunker up. Then definitely do it.
Yeah. I can't.
It's fucking fair, dude. Yeah.
All right. So it's
All right. It's even. It's even. It's
we're
even.
up.
Just let me know when you want to go.
You're gonna
Oh,
split.
shit.
Don't.
Okay.
Just split.
Too
Split.
late.
Split. Split.
Coming from me.
I hit it. I mean, it caught me, but
All right. Come back. Come back. Come back.
Going to live.
We're just gonna throw the bomb when we get close to. Oh wait, wall this Ryan off if you can.
Yeah. Zarya's walled off, dude. No, she's not walled off, dude.
No, she's not.
I'm going around to the right side.
Do you blizz?
No, I don't have bliss.
I'm going around left.
Junk's up top left.
jump
I
right
can pick
behind.
the
Jump right
bomb.
behind.
Or
I'm
the
weak. I'm
Pharaoh.
weak.
I think justice could use a little.
She's one. She's one.
Rhyme's in here with me, dude. Can come with.
You're going to be okay.
Dude, we're taking on like too many fights. We need to group up.
Yeah, we have to get like not very far.
Like we used our diva bomb. We didn't even know.
Got 8 pick. I can go in with Blizz now.
Do it.
Get the Rhine. Get the Rhine. Ooh. Nice.
Somebody on payload. Okay.
Zarya.
I'm on her.
She's one.
Nice.
Keep it going. I'm gonna do early shatter
Alright,
here.
there's half a fight left. If we
Stay
win
with
it.
me, Brig.
They have a Hanzo now.
Brig is
I have
one.
him.
Brig's behind us.
Push to Ana. Push to Ana.
Stunner. Stunner.
I got charged.
Oh, he got me. Only me though. Nice. Good.
Ryan down.
Nice.
Game.
Good game.